The Bactrian camel, camel with two humps, that was four, two. It's a critically endangered in the wild with only about 950 to 1,000 left in the wild. The wild is Central Asia. Now they have some cool adaptations, including humps store fat for energy. They have closable nostrils, long eyelashes, and wide feet to handle the sand and extreme temperatures. Now they can also go months without water during the colder months and weeks with even the hot months, which is insane to think about. I can barely go an hour without drinking, so. And domesticated camels of the Bactrian type have historically been vital to trade routes. So, there's some camel facts. I love camels.